Hi there. So welcome to this class on the Cha-Cha-Cha, which is one of our dances that in our solo Latin dance course that we're offering this fall. So I'm going to go through a couple of steps of the international style Cha-Cha-Cha with you, and hopefully you can see what this dance is about. So the Cha-Cha-Cha is a Latin American dance, first originated from Cuba. And the dance we're doing is an international style. So when you watch dance competitions, this is the particular style that you will see. And so we're going to start. Let's put our weight on the, I'll do it back here, weight on the left foot. And so we're going to shift our weight to the right foot. And then we're going to check our step forward. Left foot forward, right foot replace, side, together, side. Now we're going to step back, replace, side, together, side. So this is what we call the Cha-Cha basic. So we're going to go forward, replace, side, together, side, back, replace, side, together, side. Okay, so we'll do it from the side here. So we have weight on left foot, shifting to the right foot, left foot forward, right foot replace, side, together, side, back, replace, side, together, side. So that's your Cha-Cha basic. And so with all our 4 Latin dances that we learn, Cha-Cha, Rumba, Jive, and Samba, we have to have a little bit of hip movement. So let your hips loose, and so I'll do it facing you here. So weight on your left foot, my left foot. We'll shift over, check forward, replace, side, together, side, back, replace, side, together, side. So you can count this as 2, 3, cha-cha, 1, 2, 3, cha-cha, 1. So that's our basic, 2, 3, cha-cha, 1. So you can hear the music, this is what we would consider cha-cha music. So you can probably count where the 1 is. It's a strong beat. 1, 2, 3, cha-cha, 1, 2, 3. So it's, of course, a little bit faster than how I was counting, right? So let's do this together. Face my back here. 1, 2, 3, cha-cha, 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 1. So we're just a bit faster than how we were learning before, but you can catch on to that, I'm sure. So that's your Cha-Cha basic. So now let's embellish what we just learned just a little bit more. So we'll do something called the New Yorker. Okay? So to do the New Yorker, let's pretend we just did a Cha-Cha. This is called a chasse. Okay? Cha-Cha 1. So we're going to take a step to our side, come through, 2, 3, cha-cha, 1, turn, 2, 3, cha-cha, 1. Okay? So this is called New York. And so you're just, another way of thinking of it is you're just breaking the steps over. Turn it over. Okay? And it doesn't really matter which, it does matter. After you do your chasse, you use the free foot to come through. So I'm doing it from here. So I go cha-cha, 1, turn, 2, 3, cha-cha, 1, 2, 3, cha-cha, 1. Okay? So whether you are a lead or a follow, you will both do this particular step when you dance together. So now let's put those two together, your Cha-Cha basic and your New York. Okay? So weight on left foot, shifting to right, check, replace, side, together, side, back, replace, side, together, side. So that's a full basic. Now if I go into my New York, 2, 3, cha-cha, 1, so turn it, 2, 3, cha-cha, 1, 2, 3, cha-cha, 2, 2, 3, cha-cha, 3. Okay, so how do I get out of this? I can do this for infinite time, right? So why don't we turn? So step, turn, cha-cha, 1. Okay, so let's do that again. That's called a spot turn. So cha-cha, 1, step, turn, cha-cha, 1. So that's when you do this particular move, you step, you turn on that standing foot, you come back to the foot that you just left, and cha-cha 1. So let's do that again. The basic. And hold 1, 2, 3, cha-cha 1, 2, 3, cha-cha 1. Now let's go New York 3 times. 1, cha-cha 1, 2, cha-cha 2, and 2, Now let's do the spot turn. Step, replace, cha-cha-one. So far you've learned the basic, the New York, and a spot turn. So let's try this to music. So, weight on our left foot. 1, 2, 3, cha-cha, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, cha-cha, 1, 2, 3, cha-cha, 1, 2, 3, New York. 2, 3, cha-cha, 1, 2, 3, cha-cha, 2. And then spot turn. 2, 3, cha-cha, 1. And of course, because the music's so fast, you want to take your chassés a bit smaller. So once you're more comfortable with that, yeah, your chassés can be big. But for now, because the music's faster, keep everything compact. Okay, one last time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, cha-cha, 1, 2, 3, cha-cha, 1, New York. Cha-cha, 1, 2, 3, cha-cha, 1, 2, 3, cha-cha, spot turn. 3, cha-cha, 1. And then back to basic. Okay. So what you've learned today would be your cha-cha basic, 3 New Yorks, and a spot turn. So in our class, we will look at cha-chas, one of the dances. We will also have samba, rumba, and jive as the other 3. So I hope you can join us in one of our classes this fall. It's on solo Latin ballroom. Thank you.